Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge has given us some further evidence that a low indeed could be in place in this B wave here on the 13th of May when the price hit the 13.6 cent level. I've now added another, some more micro structure elements here to the chart just to give this a little bit more substance. As I highlighted to you, as long as the, what was that here, 13th of May low is holding, we can be watching for the price to reach the 20 cent mark possibly in wave C in yellow. Yeah, but I wanted to see resistance break first. This has happened now, so I can take that resistance area from the chart. But as I said to you, this wave count really needs very, very close monitoring, because the rally from that 1st of May low is just corrective. Okay, so this rally was in 3 waves after we possibly formed a low in wave 4, 3 waves up. Then we had a pullback, obviously that's corrective anyway, it did form a higher low. And now this move up also doesn't really look impulsive, but it could be a C wave, like an ending diagonal. I definitely have enough waves to call the 3rd wave possibly completed in wave C, okay? And then this could be the point where a 4th wave possibly starts. I'm going to zoom in a minute. Then one more high in wave 5 could send us to 20 cents. Why 20 cents? Quite simple, because the initial rally is like an A wave, and then the A wave and the C wave, they often have the same length, and that's the 100% extension level, and that's just a key target for such a C wave. Yeah, obviously connected with a B wave, ABC. However, this is not long enough to be the entire next wave up. As I said to you, projections point towards like 26, 27 cents. And also we would need to get a break above the 3rd wave high here, obviously, which is around 21 cents. So what I expect is that this is only an ABC structure of a larger A wave. We would then get another B, and this C wave can then send us to 27, 28 cents. That's the perspective. I explained to you in one of the last videos, also the daily chart. The idea is that this here was a 4th wave. We're now moving up in a 5th wave before the next pullback comes. Not an overall top, but a larger degree top, and then the next pullback should happen. We've obviously had a long, let's say quite a long correction now, but rather a sideways correction. The support area is between 11 cents and 14 cents, is still relevant and hasn't changed. So in case we dip back down again, we could just sort of dip into the support region again, right? So it's like a range here. The market is holding above the lower support area. As long as we're doing that, I mean, the most reliable support level I have here is the 11 cent level. But I said to you, as long as we're holding that sort of 13th of May low, the focus can be on higher below that level. The 11 cent mark will be relevant again. And then, but yeah, ideally the low is in. I mean, it just is moving up in very much choppy structures. So far, this wave count seems to be unfolding, I would say, as planned. But as explained, it requires babysitting, close monitoring. Looking really at the micro count of this C wave here to the upside. 3 waves up in wave 1, wave 2, then A, B, possible C wave in wave 3. Looking at fib extensions, normally we want the 3rd wave reach ideally the 1.38 extension of the 1-2 setup. It did reach the 1.236. That's normally what I say is the bare minimum, really the bare minimum. Could get one more high for possibly in this 3rd wave. Doesn't absolutely need it. I think it would be quite good if it could do. Then it would be like the 17.5 cent level, but in the grand scheme of things, that really doesn't matter if it gets a 4th wave pullback from here or from a little higher. What I can do, I can give you the support region for the 4th wave, which is here, measured the distance of the 3rd wave. And then I'm looking for support in the region between the 23.6 fib level and the 61.8 fib level. So 4th wave support is between 15.5 cents and 16.6 cents, even though the 23.6 fib level would be too shallow for a wave 4, but ideally we are gonna see the price get possibly hit to the 38.2 retracement, 16 cents or 15.8 cents. And from there, then this 5th wave to the upside could start to finish off wave 5 of C of a larger A wave. As soon as we have all 5 waves completed in wave C, I'm going to give you the next support for the B wave pullback. Yeah, that's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.